You do hear it. Hear what?
Dorothy's here with Elmo because Dorothy wants to see the letter of the day. Right, Dorothy? Oh, Dorothy says she doesn't want to see the letter of the day. What's that? What?
Where's it coming from?
Oh, Dorothy. Dorothy says, just kidding. Dorothy, you're so funny.
They're stuck. Jumanji, a game for those who seek to find a way to leave their worlds behind. You roll the dice to move your token. Doubles get another turn. The first player to reach the end wins. It's gotta be microchips or something. You go first. Okay. 6. A tiny bite can make you itch, make you sneeze, make you twitch. This will not be an easy mission. Monkeys slow the expedition. What is that? Came from the game. The mosquitoes, too. Uh-oh. I didn't see this part. Adventures beware. Adventurers beware. Do not begin unless you intend to finish. The exciting consequences of the game will vanish only when a player has reached Jumanji and called out its name. The monkeys are gone. Good. Put it away. Wait! The instructions say if we finish the game, it'll all go away. We better do it or Aunt Nora's gonna pitch a fit. We should just get through it quickly. I mean, there's no skill involved. No. You roll doubles. You get another turn. Roll. 5. I don't like the sound of that. Judy, someone's in here.
Somebody roll a 5 or an 8.
He did.
Oh, thank you! 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 Thank you. Sorry if I scared you. Sorry if I scared you. Thank you. I'm back! Mom! Dad! I'm home! I'm back! It's me! It's me, Alan! Mom and Dad! I'm home! I'm back! Are you my little sister?
No. I'm Judy and he's Peter.
Where's Mom? Is Dad at the factory?
Are you Alan Parrish?
Yeah. Who are you?
We live here now.
Where's my mom and dad?
We don't know. This house has been empty for years. Everyone thought you were dead.
Give me that description again.
I said red fur and long tails.
Why, you big fraud, you...
Get down off of my car, please, and get up on the sidewalk.
What year is it?
It was brand new.
No. What year is it?
1995, remember?
95.
You got some ID? Oh, let me guess, you probably left it in the other Tarzan outfit, right?
26 years.
Are you from around here?
I was. But I've been in Jumanji.
Indonesia. He was in the Peace Corps.
Carl Bentley, the soul
Is this man related to you?
Yes, sir. He's our uncle.
Does he always dress like that?
Well, yeah, he's a vegetarian.
Get out of there! Ah, 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 ah! Ooh, 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 ooh. Monkeys! Monkeys!
Is he all right upstairs?
He suffered a head injury a few months ago.
Don't you move!
Hey, wait a minute! Where are you going?
To find my parents!
Wait! My dad used to make shoes here. They were the best shoes in New England.
Father?
Hey!
Sorry.
Easy, girl.
Do you know what happened to this shoe factory?
Yeah, fold it up. Like everything else in this town. It's pretty cold out there. How about some coffee?
Why would they close pair of shoes?
Well, when his kid ran away, Sam put everything he had into trying to find him. His time, his money, everything. After a while, he stopped coming to work. He just quit caring. I don't think anybody loved his boy more than Sam did. Yeah. You're gonna freeze out there.
Thank you. Are the parishes still around?
I see him now and then.
Yeah?
They're over on Adams Street.
It's my fault. It's my fault.
Our parents are dead too. They were in the Middle East negotiating peace